Hi, and welcome to Zoho Analytics video demo. Cluster analysis is a method that groups data points based on the similarities. Zoho Analytics predominantly uses the centroid-based ML model for cluster analysis. In this video, we will walk you through how to do a cluster analysis. Let's get started. We'll use a sample e-commerce data for demonstration. Access the table and click the Create icon and choose Chart View. Add the discount column to the x-axis with the actual measure and cart abandonment rate column with the sub-function actual measure to the y-axis. Click Generate Graph. A scatter plot will be created. Click the Analysis icon in the toolbar and select Cluster Analysis from the drop-down menu. Click Add Clusters. The model is auto-selected based on the columns used in the report. You can also choose the model that should be used for clustering. Factors are the columns or conditions based on which the data points are grouped. Factors are listed based on the model selected for analysis. Choose the number of clusters into which the data points should be grouped. The number of clusters is set as 3 by default. This can be changed based on the characteristics of the data and your requirements. A minimum of 2 clusters and a maximum of 30 clusters can be specified for clustering. Choose the normalization method that should be used to transform the data before clustering. Normalization is the technique used to transform the data to have a common scale. This is done to prevent factors with large ranges or different scales from dominating the results, ensuring that all factors contribute equally to the analysis. Click Apply. The data points will be clustered based on the given criteria. The Clusters Info dialog provides the model used for cluster analysis and statistical information to evaluate the quality of the clusters. This includes performance indicators, clusters and centroid information, and analysis of variance. The Clusters Info option is enabled once the cluster analysis is applied to a report. Click Save. Export the clustered in any preferred text format. Once exported, it can be imported as a table into the existing workspace. This enables the creation of reports on the clustered data to understand the characteristics of each cluster against different metrics. Thank you for watching this demo. For further inquiries, shoot us an email at support@zohoanalytics.com or call us on one of our toll-free numbers.